Lightweight, corrosion-resistant frame side plates. Multi-disc, Carbonite drag system. Aluminum handle arm with Ergo grip handle knobs. ALC, rigid diecast aluminum frame and handle side plate. Multi-disc, Carbonite drag system. Balanced aluminum handle arm with Ergo grip handle knobs. Oversized machine cut brass XL drive and pinion gears. Machined aluminum, two-tone anodized spool. Top reviews from the United States. Great reel. Love it. I use it for trolling mostly. Great for walleye and salmon in the rivers. Nice and compact, and the drag and winching handle is unreal. I don't really used it for casting, and there are no brakes, just a tension control knob. You can cast with it, but you need to have a lot of experience with baitcasters to prevent backlash. Great reel anyways.